Hanlokrok Cooperative Lamb Society held its union body election for the next 5-year terms at Hanlokrok on the Rongkhang constituency, West Karbi Anglong. Union body for the term 2022 to 2027 of Hanlokrok Cooperative Lamb Society was conducted successfully in presence of returning officer on 5th December at the office of Hanlokrok Cooperative Lamb Society. Dhoniram Ronghang and Pradip Rongpi contested in ST reservation category. Shareholders of the society voted Dhoniram Ronghang as the member of the union from ST category. The following members who turned out victorious and would be taking charge as a union body for the next 5 years are as follows: Dhoniram Ronghang, Member Terang, Joy Singh Togbi, Naria Bordoloi, Robison Pator, Krishna Kantadeka, Noren Dibragit, Ambiram Darphang, Biju Khorai, Tonkeswar Kro, Dipen Pator, Ananda Senapati, Kabon Terangti and Marija Marak. The certificate of merit was handed over to the elected members by the returning officer of the election. The election was conducted peacefully and successfully due to the collective efforts made from the General Secretary of LAMS and returning officer along with their staff. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.